Hi guys, my name is Joseph and I'm here to talk about a small updation that we brought to the Avodha.com platform, and this is an updation that will affect a lot of you in a very high fashion. The updation here is that if certain students have been found to skip classes, or let's say fast forward classes, then in that case we have decided to reset some of these students to previous quizzes and assignments just so that they can get a chance at revision. I'll explain why we brought this updation and exactly how it fits perfectly into our overall scheme of things, right? A lot of the people wonder why Avodha has one of the largest placements numbers in all of South India, right? Right now we are functioning in multiple South Indian states, and we've proven that we have one of the highest placement rates when it comes to any e-learning platform across South India. The reason we've been able to achieve this is because the companies are extremely satisfied with the kind of students that we give, right? I mean, this is not exactly like magic, right? I mean, the reason companies will recruit from us and the reason companies consider us as being their go-to recruitment partners is that we provide quality interns to them, right? The moment Avodha is not able to provide quality interns to these companies would stop recruiting from us, and the entire process would break down. We've noticed recently that some students, especially during the lockdown, right, since the lockdown had come in, some students had decided to just sort of skip through the classes, right? Just watch one video, skip through the video, fast forward it, skip through it, tap next and tap next, tap mark to complete, and so on. The system does allow it, and in certain places, we've seen a high number of quiz retakes where students just constantly retake the quiz without actually learning exactly what is being said in those classes, right? So now we've got a small updation wherein if we find that certain users are skipping classes or moving fast forwarding through classes, then the Avodha platform using data science will automatically detect this and will then push you back to another quiz or assignment sometime in the past, right? Now where you get pushed out will depend on the level of skipping that you've done, and we understand that some students are doing it. It's not really a very big deal, but we would like you to just go through those things once again. All right, now here's what will happen. Just watch this. All right, in this tutorial you can see that once you come and tap on continue course, you will be redirected to a quiz or an assignment that you had already done or previously done some time back. Once you reach this quiz or assignment, tap check results and then scroll down to tap retake quiz. All right, after you do this, just attend that quiz one more time. Now if you've already learned correctly and learned the way you should have been learning, this shouldn't be a problem for you to retake that quiz. However, if you have skipped classes, which is again something that a lot of students have been doing during the lockdown season, if you have skipped classes, then just make sure that you're attending that class one more time. The pass marks for these quizzes have been reduced, so you might not need to take a full mark, although in some quizzes we are retaining the full mark, quizzes that are very easier, but most of the quizzes we've reduced the pass mark, so you might not need a full mark once again, but we just want you to go through the learning once more. We just want you to go through the classes once more. In any case, once you guys reach the mock interview stage, you will have to do a revision, because in the mock interview we're going to be testing the entire curriculum, the entire course. We're going to be testing what all you've learned throughout the course, right? So anyway, you'll have to do a revision. So this is a very good chance for you guys to do that revision, to try things out once more. Just remember guys, we're counting on you, because once we place you into various companies, you are our sort of brand's value in those companies, right? And we need to be able to make sure that you guys are going out of the Avodha.com platform after being completely skilled and professionally skilled, and that's why we're putting you through this process. I hope you guys understand. Thank you.